we move to 80 kilo world bronze medal match. As the challenge cube, let's see what's going on here. There was no whistle ever blown. But we move to the world bronze medal match. At 80 kilos, Taha Nouri out of the Islamic Republic of Iran, wrestling in the red singlet and in the blue singlet. From Kyrgyzstan, it's Nurislam Өскөнбаев. And Oskonbaev looked like he thought he had a step out, and the referee who was closest to it did hold up the one, but it all happened so quickly. There was never a whistle that was blown on the mat. Then the Kyrgyz corner tried to challenge the call, and they were actually right in front of all the action, but the challenge button did not work, so they pulled out the stuffed animal in the corner. We're waiting to see what happened here after Nouri gets his head taped. So now we have the challenge going on mat C as well, but the mat B challenge, the brick goes back to the Kyrgyz corner because they ended up winning the challenge. There was a step out, and Nouri, one of his feet stepped completely out of bounds. Therefore, Oskonbaev, now these guys are leaving it all on the mat. Wow. Oskonbaev now picks up the 1 point for the inactivity. So the step out in the inactivity gives him a 1 point advantage. Coming up next will be Georgia and Uzbekistan wrestling for the 80 kilo gold medal, and then we'll close it out with 110 kilograms with Iran and India going for gold as well. But Oskonbaev looking for the lift here against Nouri out of Iran. And Nouri, look at all of the pressure going down to his head, and they're going to get 1 point for Oskonbaev for the step out as he throws Nouri out of bounds. And now 3-0 with 30 seconds left here in period number 1. That wraps up the first period, so they go to the corner for the 30-second break. And another late whistle. The referee waiting to start the action. 2 minutes on the clock. These two caged animals ready to get back to action. They have been pushing the pace for the entirety of the opening 2 minutes, and now they're right back to things. And the Kyrgyz corner is saying he's around the neck. Get him off the neck. And Oskonbaev will be hit here soon for inactivity, so it will be Nouri's choice to go on top. And the fans are asking for the blue passive call. And there you have it. So Nouri is on the board. 1:11 left here. A turn would put him in the lead, and Nouri wanting a quick break, falls to his back, grabs his left calf, and tries to continue with things. And Oskonbaev walks over and says, let's go, get things moving. He doesn't want him to rest, as Nouri, looking for a turn, goes right side heavy, then jumps back to the left side, readjusts his grip, now comes up to his feet, has Oskonbaev off the mat. But it's Oskonbaev who fights it. And now we're back to our feet, as the Kyrgyz athlete able to hold on, not give up any points. And now Nouri looking for a front headlock. And now goes flying squirrel, 4 on the board for Oskonbaev. If it's confirmed, it would be 7-1 with 30 seconds left. And now what does Nouri do? Does he challenge the call? That would be 8-1. All but giving Oskonbaev the gold medal. What is going to happen here? This was a flying squirrel attempt. And the fans behind us are saying no points for that flying squirrel attempt. And wouldn't this be something? You think back to the 55 kilo finals, Abkan Abdursalov won a gold medal there, so Kyrgyzstan looking for their second gold medal here at the U17 World Championships.
First distinction is Nurislam, red and final number for the red
and challenge one. I mean, this is a learning opportunity for Nouri. You don't go for a flying squirrel with 40 seconds left when you're down 3-1. You don't need the home run just yet. Stay in here and look for solid offense. High-level offense is going to be better than going for the flying squirrel attempt with 40 seconds left. But Oskonbaev, 10 seconds away from giving Kyrgyzstan their second gold medal of the night. And now 6 seconds left. A slip throw from a headlock attempt coming from Nouri. Can Oskonbaev hold on? He pushes his Iranian opponent away, and he's gonna do it. He points up to the Kyrgyz fans, and not one, but 2 world champions coming from Kyrgyzstan. What a match.